National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Calumet Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Michigan City out to Mid-Lake until 2 a.m. At 11:55 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles northwest of Elgin to 10 nautical miles south of Midway Airport, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to nearly 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Monroe Harbor, 31st Street Harbor, Burnham Harbor, Dusable Harbor, and Jackson Park Harbor around 12:20 a.m. Montrose Harbor, Harrison Beaver, Crib, Belmont Harbor, and Diversey Harbor around 12:25 a.m. Wilmette Harbor around 12:30 a.m. Waukegan Harbor around 12:45 a.m. Winthrop Harbor around 12:55 a.m. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.